You're here to find your voice, and we're here today to show you Write by Voice. This was created a couple weeks ago on a Sunday. I turned off my phone and I wanted to continue to write articles without getting distracted. So I guess I'll start by showing the actual video that kind of inspired everything. Let's see if I can cast it. Cast it. Master bedroom display. With all this time inside, I'm trying to write more, so I want to take these writings and publish them for the world, but I also don't want to open up my phone and get distracted by all the notifications. So is there any way that I can take this article that I've written on pen and paper and use my voice to publish it for the rest of the world? First thing I did was use the Jovo command line interface to create a new Google action. Then I added in here publish intent so that I can send an email to myself. First, test to make sure you've configured your email right. Let's test. Jovo run gives a server. Okay, Google, talk to Write by Voice.
Hello, world. What's your name?
And we got a 200 okay. New email. Write by Voice sent to us from our bot, Voice AI bot. Okay, Google, talk to Write by Voice.
Hello, world. Welcome to Write by Voice. Time to write. Speak one sentence at a time.
It was at the Alexa conference when I first heard Bradley Metrock give this story, period. Publish. Published. So there's the original, and today we're going to try it. I finished again writing an article on paper, and I would like to move this article onto the internets, but I don't want to look at I want to look at this screen. I don't want to look at a screen that's going to give me notifications. Like, I'm recording with the screen right now, and I have it on Do Not Disturb so that nobody can hit me up. I just want to focus. I don't want to be distracted, and this gives me an interface to not be distracted. And I want to give a shout out to Nick Felker from Google, working on the Actions on Google team. He replied and asked, well, won't it be incredibly slow to do the method that we're doing? And the answer is yes, but the intention is to move slowly and intentionally. We don't need to move fast. Take the story of the tortoise and the hare. We're here to move slowly and intentionally, not to get there first. Okay, Google, talk to Write by Voice.
Find your voice. Welcome to Write by Voice. This is best used on a device with a screen so you can see what I hear. Time to write. Speak one sentence at a time. Say publish when you are ready to publish. What is your first sentence?
Your voice is magic.
Excellent, here's your article so far. Your voice is magic. What's the next sentence?
The wand upon which you transmute and reshape reality.
Excellent, here's your article so far. Your voice is magic. The wand upon which you transmute and reshape reality. What's the next sentence?
It's not the only wand you use, period. One piece of the tapestry.
Excellent, here's your article so far. Your voice is magic. The wand upon which you transmute and reshape reality.
Google. Hands and feet and eyes and body motions.
Excellent, here's
Google.
your article.
Voice is a higher cognitive load for some tasks, period. Less for others.
Excellent, here's
Google.
your article.
How does the interface, or wand, best complement the modality? Period. In the beginning, comma, there was the word.
Excellent, here's your article so
Google.
far.
In the beginning, comma, there was the word.
Excellent, here's your article so far.
For you, comma, screams at birth blossom to sacral chanting at death. Not sickle.
Excellent, here's your article
Google.
so far.
For society, the movement of self-speech evolves to 11 million purchases by voice on Singles Day via Alibaba.
Excellent, here's your
Google.
articles.
Without shared structure, comma, ideas spread one-to-one. Shared structure. Interesting.
Excellent,
Google.
here's your article.
Before writing, comma, stories and ideas were spread via oral tradition.
Excellent.
Okay,
Here's your
Google.
articles.
Master to apprentice, knowledge and ideas were passed. As you can see, we're not getting every single word right. There's a lot that it's mishearing.
Excellent. Here's your article. So far, your voice is magic.
Okay, Google.
The one.
And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. And now it's getting a little
Excellent.
bit slower.
Here's your article. So far,
Okay,
your
Google.
voice is mad.
The word gained physicality, period. Symbols, comma, drawings, comma, books, comma, share what to say.
Excellent. Here's
Okay,
your
Google.
article. So
But, comma, I pose the question, which is more important, the words themselves or the voice manifesting them? Question mark.
excellent. Here's
Okay,
your
Google.
article. So
The Son is flesh, period. Flesh is a creation of the Word. Wrong, son. It captured S-U-N. I meant S-O-N. Son. It's interesting experimenting with writing by voice, because writing includes so many little symbols to
excellent.
express.
Here's your article.
Okay,
So
Google.
far, your
It is its creation. Goal is to move slowly and intentionally. More deep breaths.
excellent. Here's your article. So far, your
Okay,
voice
Google.
is magic.
Can a son ever fully embody its father? Question mark. I should change that from son to child. Abstract the gender or sexuality out.
Excellent. Here's your article.
Okay,
So
Google.
far, your
Its creator? Question mark.
excellent.
Okay,
Here's your
Google.
article.
For the law was given through Moses, comma, grace and truth came through Jesus Christ.
Excellent. Here's your article.
Okay,
So
Google.
far,
The Ten Commandments, that's not right. Erase this section.
excellent. Here's your article. So far, your
Okay,
voice
Google.
is magic.
Moses was given the Ten Commandments as written word. Jesus Christ is the Son.
Excellent.
Okay,
Here's your
Google.
articles.
Jesus was the Word made flesh. Period. Jesus' voice was active embodiment of the law given to Moses.
Excellent. Here's
Okay,
your
Google.
article. So
Again, comma, I pose the question, which is more important, the words themselves, Ten Commandments, or the voice manifesting them, Jesus Christ? Question mark.
excellent. Here's your article. So far,
Okay,
your
Google.
voice is
Whichever is more holy? Question mark. Does it matter? Question mark. No.
Excellent. Here's your article so far. Your voice is magic. The wand upon which you
Okay,
transmute and
no one has ever seen God, the only God, comma, who is at the Father's side, comma, he has made him known.
Excellent. Here's your
Okay,
article
Google.
so far.
Transposing the word in the voice, we see, no one has ever seen the Word, the only Word, who is at the side of grace and truth, comma, grace and truth have made the Word known.
Excellent. Here's your
Okay,
article
Google.
so far.
Grace and truth come from the mind, and the Word comes from the heart, period. They are connected by the bridge that is the throat chakra.
Excellent. Here's your article so far.
Okay,
Your
Google.
voice is magic.
Publish. Let's see if we publish it. Can we publish? Can we publish? Publish.
Success.
Yes.
Your story was published. Here's what you wrote. Your voice is magic. The wand upon which you transmute and reshape reality. It's not the only one you use. One piece of the tapestry. Hands and feet and eyes and body motions. Voice as a higher cognitive load for some tasks. Less for others. How does the interface or wand best complement the modality? In the beginning, there was the word. For you, screams at birth blossom to sickle chanting at death. For society, the movement of self-speech of olives to 11 million purchases by voice on Singles Day Alibaba. Without shirt structure, ideas spread one-to-one. Before writing, stories and ideas were spread the oral tradition. Master to apprentice knowledge and ideas were passed. And the word became flesh and dwelt among us. The word gained physicality. Symbols, drawings, books, share what to say. But I posed the question. The son is flesh. Flesh is a creation of the word. It is its creation. Can a son ever fully embody its father? Its creator? For the law was given through Moses, grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. The Ten Commandments. Moses was given the Ten Commandments as written word, Jesus Christ as the Son. Jesus was the Word made flesh. Jesus as voice was active embodiment of the law given to Moses. Again, I posed the question, which is more important, the words themselves, Ten Commandments, or the voice manifesting them, Jesus Christ? Whichever is more holy. Does it matter? No one has ever seen God, the only God, who is at the Father's side, he has made him known. Transposing the word in the voice, we see no one has ever seen the word, the only word, who is at the side of grace and truth. Grace and truth have made the word known. Grace and truth come from the mind and the word comes from the heart. They are connected by the bridge that is the throat chakra. Check your email for the next step. Thanks for writing by voice.
Thank you for working, technology. So we just wrote that article. We took it from pen and paper, which was one manifestation without any distraction, and then we put it onto voice to be able to communicate it with the digital world, which once it's in the digital world, we can copy it, we can paste it, we can link it, we can publish it. All of this without distraction. The notebook, that's the biggest intention, to be able to create in a focused flow state without any distraction, to move slowly and intentionally with our creations so that we are very mindful and aware of what it is we are creating, and being very selective of the biases we allow in while we are creating, to keep ourselves from the constant notifications of Instagram and Twitter and YouTube and text messages. But when we want to open ourselves up to other stimuli, to be able to say, Alexa, Play office sounds. We can continue to shape the world around us. We can shape and create and be very intentional of what we have bias our thinking. We can create an ambient space that is most productive for the creations we are trying to manifest. And we can use our voice to manifest that ambience, that space, wherever you are. Whether that's on a train, in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your office, with your family. On your journey to find your voice, keep in mind the power of your voice in eliminating distraction and in being very mindful, slow, and conscious creation. This is Sweet signing off. If you have any questions, this is an open source project. The link should be in the description if you want to download the code and get started yourself. And if you have any other questions, feel free to hit us up on all social media sites at VoiceFirstAI. Again, this is Sweet signing off.